Today I'm going to teach you how to invite an additional attendee to a Microsoft Outlook meeting. This is incredibly useful when you need to loop someone into an existing meeting without having to create a whole new event or send manual updates to everyone involved. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already, and give it a moment to load all your emails and calendar items. This initial step ensures you have access to all your meeting invitations and can manage them properly. Once your inbox is loaded, navigate to your inbox pane and locate the specific meeting email where you want to add someone new. This could be a recurring team meeting, a client call, or any scheduled event that needs an extra participant. Click on that meeting email to select it. Now look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. Under the Respond section, you'll see several options. Click on the one labeled Meeting. This action opens up the meeting management tools, allowing you to make changes to the event. A meeting window will now appear on your screen. Here you can view all the essential details about the meeting, including the scheduled dates, current, required, and optional attendees, and the full meeting agenda in the email body. This overview helps you confirm you're working with the right meeting before making any changes. To invite an additional attendee, click on the Scheduling Assistant tab located at the top part of your screen. This tab is specifically designed to help you manage who attends the meeting and when everyone is available. Once you're in the Scheduling Assistant view, you'll notice an option called Add Attendees. Go ahead and click on it. A contact book window will appear displaying all your saved contacts and colleagues. From this window, simply browse through and select the additional attendee you wish to add to your meeting. You can add as many people as needed at this stage. Once you've made your selection, click on OK to confirm your choice. And that's it. The new attendee will now receive a meeting invitation, and the original organizer will be notified of the addition. You've successfully added someone to an existing Outlook meeting without disrupting the schedule or creating confusion. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.